If you're a real estate agent who's struggling to record video and you have to use a script, then you're gonna wanna watch this video today. I'm gonna show you how you can make it look like you remembered all of this information, kept eye contact with the camera, even though you were reading off a script. And no, I'm not talking about another teleprompter. You can physically look over here reading a script, and I'm gonna show you an AI tool that will fix that and make you have eye contact with your user all while you're reading on a script off to the side. So if you wanna learn how to do that and dominate video content in your real estate market, keep watching. Hey everybody, it's me, Jacob Shireman, your real estate marketing expert. I have over 15 years of marketing experience specializing in web design and SEO, and I take that experience to help you grow your real estate business. So if you'd like to see more content like this, subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I release new content. And if you want to partner with me to get all of my resources, training, courses, and coaching for free at no extra cost or split to you, take a look at partnering with me at eXp Realty inside the Agent Wolfpack. And there's a link below so you can book a one-on-one call with me to see what that looks like. So let's dive into today's topic. All right, so today we're talking about the power of AI, especially with these video editors like Descript and v.io. What I'm gonna do today is show you how you can read from a script and you don't have to use a teleprompter, or you can, but you could read off to the side and it's gonna make it look like you were making eye contact like I am right now with the camera the entire time. So I'm gonna show you how to do this step by step in a platform called Descript. And this is a great platform to have. I have the subscription myself and I have everything I need for like under $30 a month. So it's a great video editor. There's so many more features and I'm gonna cover those in other videos, but it's very important because I even have agents reaching out to me asking me, Jacob, how do you remember all this information? How do you keep eye contact with the camera? And one, it's come with years of practice doing video, and I'm talking about a topic that I love and I know, and I can literally make the content up on the fly and still have the content be right. But for a lot of real estate agents that are new to the camera, they're nervous, or maybe you're a brand new agent and you don't know all this information. You're gathering the information and writing a script for it, and you need to read from that script. So if that's you, then you need to use something like Descript to correct your eye contact. And the great thing about this is this helps you kind of relate and build rapport and connect with your audience, because if you're looking off to the side, it's not going to seem as personal. So we want to make eye contact with a camera like we're talking directly to that person. So if you want to master that and not have to worry about memorizing scripts or numbers, especially when you're doing a market report, then you're going to love the rest of this video. So what I'm going to do is share my screen, and we're going to do a video because I'm going to do another video on how to use this properly. But I'm going to show you how to edit an introduction video that you can email out to people that register on your website. So I'm going to do it reading a script, and then we're going to correct the eye contact with Descript. You can use this with v.io and other AI editors out there. I think Descript is best for the price point and all the features, but we're going to correct that eye contact in the moment and export that video so you can have that done, because in our next video, I'm going to show you how to use that and email it out on the fly to people so you can have a video and build rapport and build that connection and warm up your leads even faster. So let's start sharing my screen. All right, so I'm going to show you how to take a script like this that you can read right on your screen, or maybe you have it off to the side and you read on a camera. The most important thing is when you're creating the video that you keep your head straight facing the camera, but your eyes can move wherever you want. But if you constantly are doing this, then you're not going to be able to get AI to fix that. It's going to fix your eyes only. So if you have a thing, kind of off here to the side where the camera can't see, it's okay to read that. Just make sure your head is not facing it, because it's going to be obvious that your eyes are over here and your head's turned here. If you want to get the best results. So I'm going to take a script like this that I'm recording to basically send out on the fly to people that register on my website so they can quickly get warmed up, hear my voice, see my face, and that way they feel more of a connection. And that way when you get on the phone with them, it's less awkward. So I'm gonna do this, but it needs to be a very general script. I'm not gonna say their name, even though there's some other new AI tools that we'll go over that will actually put their name in the video for you. But right now I just recorded a an easy script, and I just kept it very natural. I read it kind of like I'm looking down at the screen now, and we're going to get AI to fix that. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to go over here to Descript and log in. If you don't have Descript, go get it. It's fantastic pricing. You need, I think if you go here to the pricing plan, I have the Pro version just because I didn't want to be limited with the number of, time limit restraints, especially when I'm going to be using it for AI voice or AI contact. It just made it so much easier. And so go ahead and get it. I think if you pay monthly, it is like 30 bucks. So go get that. So once you're logged in, what we're going to do is come over here and click new project. So obviously video project, and then it's going to open up and we're going to say continue on web because I don't want to use the computer version yet. And the thing we're going to do is we're going to add a file. So you can either go browse for the file or you can drag and drop it, which is what I'm going to do right here. So it's going to add the file and upload it. And then once it processes that video, then we're going to tell it to remove the script. So while that's uploading, I'll be back. All right, so now my video is uploaded and let's fix this eye correction because you can clearly see that I am not looking at the camera. So the first thing that we want to do is fix the eye correction. So we're gonna click on our layer over here. You can click right in here. You can see this stuff changes because we want to select that video, or you can see the timeline and you can make the timeline bigger, smaller, however you want to arrange your editing board. So just quickly click on the video clip that you want to do. And then what we're going to do is come over here to effects, and we're going to click that plus sign, and then we're going to click on eye contact. Now, depending on the length of your video, this could take a few moments to fix the eye contact. So once that finishes analyzing your video, I'm going to come back and we are going to show you what that looks like. All right, so now Descript has finished kind of analyzing the video to do the eye contact. And as you can see, my eyes are making contact with the screen. If we were to turn off the toggle, it goes back to normal. And you see I start looking down. So you can literally see how well this does. It's not a perfect solution. Sometimes you can kind of notice something's a little off, so you got to watch it. But for the most part, nobody's going to recognize this. So now you can read your scripts with confidence, not feel like you're going to forget something, and now you can make eye contact with the screen. Now, some other things that I might edit in this would be if you're not using a really good microphone, you can use the studio sound and test it out to see if it kind of cleans up the audio. I noticed when I did one video with my cell phone, I kind of had some echo effect. It took that away like perfectly, like it was professionally edited. So play around with that as well. And then the only thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of come over here and kind of see when I want the video to start. So probably right here, because you can see myself turning on the camera. So basically you're going to click here, find out where your starting point is. So let's go back to where that's at. And then we're going to kind of hover till we get that little kind of bracket with the two arrows. And then I'm just going to kind of drag it to that area, make sure it's where it's at, maybe go a little back, a little more, perfect. And then once you have the clip edited, you can come over here down towards the bottom and drag this to match the clip where it's starting, okay? And then we'll do the same thing at the end. And then the end is pretty easy because you can just drag it where you need to, and it will auto clip as well. So let's make sure there. All right. And then, so I'm just going to test the ending and how I can best help you. So we'll talk soon. So you can see I looked down there a little bit. It could not fix that because I was kind of had my eyelids down. But overall, if we watch this, it's a pretty big difference. If I turn it off, you can see I'm looking at the screen, and then turn it back on. Pretty big difference. So let me pause this. So in order to publish that, we can go through and publish it. You can come over here and come to File, and then you can export your file as well and do that, and you'll just basically publish it as a video. or you can click download. So this would publish it as a transcript. Come over here and publish, and then click the download button, and that'll download it as the video format that you want. So that's how you can quickly edit these videos, make it look like you're making eye contact for any type of videos, whether it's your reels, your YouTube videos, or a quick introduction video like this. All right, so I hope you found that information helpful. It's my journey to help you guys be able to grow your real estate business, to watch these videos and take away something today. So start, improving your video quality step by step. The most important thing is just get that content out there, because done is better than perfect. And most people aren't going to know what you're stressing out over, with eye contact, or you made a mistake. Just be natural, be yourself, let your personality shine through, and don't try to be another character. Be yourself, because you will connect with the audience you're meant to connect with. So if you have any questions on what I went over, drop those in the comments below. If there's a video topic that you'd love for me to cover, training on real estate, production, anything to do with marketing, websites, anything that would help you in your business, you can drop those down in the comments below as well. And if you're interested in partnering with me to get all of my resources, training, coaching, and content for free, take a look at clicking that link below to book a one-on-one call with me about partnering with me at eXp Realty inside the Agent Wolfpack, and getting all of those things for free at no extra cost or split to you. And if you want to keep seeing content like this, you know the drill. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video.